Mistplay doesn't use one guaranteed payout time for every redemption. The time between redeeming your points and receiving your reward depends on the reward provider, account verification, and whether your redemption requires additional review. By the end of this video, you'll know what actually happens after you redeem your points, what affects the payout timeline, and what to do if your reward seems stuck. The process begins the moment you redeem your points. Open the rewards section, choose the reward you want, and confirm the redemption. After that, Mistplay starts processing the request. Your reward isn't sent immediately because the redemption may go through verification before it's approved. That verification helps protect both users and the platform from duplicate redemptions, fraudulent activity, and account abuse. If everything checks out, Mistplay forwards the reward through the appropriate delivery method. For digital rewards, you'll usually receive them through the email address connected to your Mistplay account. That's why checking your inbox is only part of the process. You should also look in your spam or junk folder since some gift card emails can end up there. If your reward hasn't arrived yet, don't submit multiple redemption requests for the same reward. Instead, open your redemption history inside the app and confirm the request is listed correctly. If it shows as pending, Mistplay is still processing it. Another reason payouts can take longer is increased redemption activity. During major promotions or busy periods, more users are redeeming rewards, which can increase processing times. That delay doesn't automatically mean your redemption has failed. If your reward remains pending beyond the processing timeframe provided by Mistplay, gather the details before contacting support. Include your account email, the reward you redeemed, the redemption date, and any confirmation information shown in your redemption history. Providing complete information helps support investigate your request more efficiently. One simple habit can also prevent unnecessary problems. Always redeem rewards using the latest version of the Mistplay app, and make sure your account email is accurate before submitting the redemption. That reduces the chance of delivery issues after your reward is approved. Here's the quick recap. Mistplay pays after your redemption has been processed and verified. Payout speed depends on your specific redemption rather than one fixed timeline, and checking your redemption history and email should always be your first troubleshooting step. If the official processing period has passed, contact Mistplay support with your redemption details. If this guide helped you understand how Mistplay payouts really work, subscribe for more Mistplay tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and reward app comparisons.